guys. So it's really nice to see you or your work again. I really have enjoyed it in the past, so I'm pretty excited to see what you guys have to offer for this semester. So as you guys know, for this one particular project for interactive design, we had to make a small animation of, whatever we were interested in making. For me, I made my dog. I made a video of how I would imagine my dog in one of its days. Um, I did use a lot of classic tweaking just because I really enjoy how smoothly it runs. My idea behind this again was so that I could go ahead and just imagine how my dog would go. I did want to go ahead and add several scenes into it. So let me go ahead and show you it, and then we can go ahead and discuss a little bit more. Here you go. So as you can see, she was pretty much doing several things during the day. I wanted to start by just having the trees blowing, then present her as her eating, and then like her dream about me because of course, I'm her mom, so she has to dream about me and stuff. Let's see, then I wanted to go ahead and just play with her, so I did decide to just throw a ball at her and have the ball bouncing around. I did the classic tweaking with that, along with Oreo moving. Um, I did have a particularly different idea. I did want to go ahead and include some talking moments, but I don't know, I feel like this just felt a lot more natural since it is something that's going inside of my dog's head. Um, I did just want to go ahead and, make her a little bit larger than what she is. She's actually a pretty small dog just because I think that when a dog is thinking about themselves, especially when they're one of the only dogs, they think of themselves as this huge thing because, well, of course, they don't see themselves in the mirror often, unless you would show them that. But, yeah, let's see. And then for me, I wanted to go ahead and have me in a green dress, and and make make me as a smaller character. Um, just because I feel like if that is a little bit closer to her size. With the leaves and the trees, I did just want to go ahead and include two just so that I could leave space for the rest of the scene. I did include the classic tweaking with the leaves along with the clouds. So basically everything was classic tweaking. Overall, I really enjoyed making this project. It was a lot of fun, and I did use a lot of the elements that I learned from the last class, or, from the last presentation that we made. So, of course, I am very open to any type of criticism. If you think that I need to change anything, or if you would like to see, a little bit more into that, then I would be more than glad to continue on or to, add whatever you guys tell me to add. Of course, again, if you have any questions or if you just want to go ahead and talk to me, then I am more than glad to talk to you guys. So I hope that you guys have an amazing day. Oh, by the way, shout out to the music. The music is of course not by me. I found it in YouTube. It was this I Believe in You 20-second logo royalty free background music that I found, and I just thought that it would go really, really cutely with my video. So thank you guys for everything. I hope that you have an amazing day. Bye.